I'm Elizabeth from Marketing Maven, and we have a great pitch concept for Dr. Oz, so let us tell you a little bit about it. Did you know that there are 3 reasons why people snore? They either snore because of their nose, their mouth, or their throat. So that means that one solution does not fit all. Our proposition is that you start by picking people from the audience and tell them to submit a video of someone in their family who snores. Then we'll pick 3 and we'll send them an at-home kit to figure out which type of snorer they are. Then they can come back on the show and Dr. Oz can talk about why each person snores and what they can do to fix it. Let us